This problem is given in the International Mathematics Olympiad Class 10 2022-23 paper. Okay, it's a set B paper. Actually, while doing this problem, right, it's easy to do it actually, but the explanation will take 2-3 minutes extra. Okay, so what is given here? There is a line, PS line is parallel to the PS line is parallel to the QR, and there is a diagonals are given. Okay, so in the diagonals also there is all individual distance are given, like PO is given and OR given and OQ is given and OS is given. Okay, we need to find the X. Okay, these kind of problems we can write directly something like this. Okay, so the SO upon OQ equal to this PO by OR. Okay, this can be derived in a 2 minutes time. Okay, then by using this relation we will solve and find the X value here. Okay, to prove this expression, so what I have done, we know that PS is parallel to the QR, right? So I draw another parallel line to the PS and QR. AB is the another parallel line. Okay, so these three are the parallel lines. Now what I will do, right, I will take the two triangles. Okay, the first I will take the triangle PQS. Okay, I just highlight here over here. Okay, PQS, right? If you take this triangle, okay, one thing we can observe, okay, there is a AO line is drawn parallel to the PS. We know that basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so in this triangle, AO is the parallel to the PS, so that it divides these two edges into the equal ratios. That means it is PA by AQ equal to SO by OQ, right? Now I will take another triangle. Okay, so another triangle which covers the other two diagonals. Now I am covering these two diagonals, right? So I will take another triangle which covers other two triangles. I will take this triangle. Okay, so if you take green highlighted triangle, okay, so here also AO is parallel to the QR. Okay, you can see that AO is parallel to the QR. Okay, now we will again in the triangle PQR now. Okay, so what is that ratio here? PA by AQ must be equal to PO by OR. If you observe these two ratios, left side is the same, right? So that right side are equal. What is that? So the diagonal ratios like SO by OQ equal to PO by OR. Okay, so that's what we need to know actually. Okay, so what is the SO here? SO is the X. Okay, so X by 2X plus 3 must be equal to PO. PO is 4 minus 3X upon 5. Okay, so what do you know here? We will just cross multiply. Okay, 5 will multiply to here and this will multiply over here. Okay, so 5 into X equal to 2X plus 3 into 4 minus 3X, right? So let's keep the 5X here. So if you multiply this, 4 into 2, 8X. Okay, so I will multiply something like this. So 2X into 4, 8X. Minus 2 into 3, 6. X into X, X square. 3 into 4, 12. Minus 9, 3 into 3, 9. And X. Okay. So bring all the terms to the one side of the equation. Okay, I will bring all to the left side of the equation. Okay, so let's simplify further one more step. Okay, 5X equal to, here this is a minus 6X square and X is the minus X, minus 9X and plus 8X is minus X and plus 12. Okay, if you bring all the terms to the left side of the equation, it became like 6X square. So this 5X and X will become plus 6X. Okay, minus 12 equal to 0, right? So here x6 can be taken common and get cancelled out. Okay, so that this term will become like x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0, right? So 6, if you take common here, this will become x square and x and minus 2. That 6 will go to that side, it will become 0. Okay, so how do we split the middle term here? Okay, to split the x square coefficient is 1 here. Okay, and the constant is minus 2. Okay, if you multiply 1 into minus 2, okay, if you find the factors for the 2, okay, if you multiply with 2 into minus 1, okay, we get the minus 2, again 2 minus 1 is the plus x. That's why we'll split the middle term something like this, x square plus 2x and minus x minus 2 equal to 0, right? So if you, from the first two terms and last two terms, we'll take something common here. First two terms, if you take x as a common here, then it will become like x plus 2, and if you common minus 1 here, it become like x plus 2 equal to 0. Again, from these two terms, if you take common of x plus 2 over here, okay, then again we have the x minus 1 equal to 0. So now here x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 1. Okay, so we know that here there is x is a distance that cannot be negative, because here there is here distance is given like, right, x centimeters, right? So that cannot be negative, right? That's why x is equal to 1 over here. Okay, now the answer for this question is 1. Okay, x is equal to 1.